Welcome to an overview of JRS Dynamics 10-week implementation of Microsoft D365 Business Central. Business Central is on-premise and cloud all-in-one business management solution for small and medium business growth. The additional feature of Business Central, it can integrate with all other Microsoft products like Outlook, Team to make the functionality smooth. 10-week implementation module include finance, journal, cash and bank management, bank reconciliation, payment term, fixed asset, and budgeting. Warehouse and inventory module include automate data capturing system, internal pick and put away, warehouse, shipping and receipt, bin setup, pick and warehouse management system. Sales and purchase module include sales order, credit memo, sales quotation, sales invoice, sales return and replacement, sales campaign, and discounts. CRM comprises of sales quotation, lead generation, marketing campaign, sales pipeline, customer information, sales budget and cycle, sales analysis report. Project timeline require a dedicated involvement from project team, which includes transition phase, workshop, design and development, data migration, user acceptance training, launch, and go live. Implementation methodology involves transition phase, project kickoff, project team onboarding, identifying project manager role and responsibility, meeting with process owner, sharing list of questionnaire, collecting sample data, building process flow. Analysis phase comprises Business Central overview, requirement gathering, preparation of business document, gap identification listing. Design and development, Business Central environment preparation, system configuration as per the solution document, data migration, and sign off. UAT phase include uploading data in sandbox, validate data, internal testing, system walkthrough, user acceptance training, and sharing user manual. Launch preparation and go live. Live environment configuration, live data and opening balance migration, validate production data, go live, and support. What happens after go live? It integrates with various departments, give a clear visibility in sales process by easy tracking and building strong relationship, streamline finance function and automate finance entries, give a clear visibility in purchasing and maintaining stock, personalized dashboard, mobile access, transition to support service team. If you would like to get started or want more information, please contact us at sales@jrsdynamic.com, or else you can call us or visit our website.